Hello friends, welcome to your YouTube channel Prabhat Exam. Today we'll discuss about how to prepare for IAS Prelims exam in 3 months. Every year, several thousands aspirants from across the country appear for this exam. All of them study hard for this exam, but only a few of them are able to make the cut. So, what is it that those who don't qualify lack? It's not only the hard work but also the smart work that ensures their selection in this exam. It requires both hard work and right strategy to qualify the prelims exam. So, today we'll discuss about how you can prepare for this exam in a short span of 3 months. Point number 1. Prepare your study material in a proper manner. Study material is crucial to the preparation of any exam. For IAS preparation, it is extremely important to have a balanced and exhaustive study material. A good study material makes sure that all your important notes are available at one place. This takes away the burden of reading multiple books. Also, in such a short span of time, it is highly impractical to read from new books and sources. That's why always study from books of selective and reputed publications. Point number 2. Set your priorities right. First of all, you need to ensure that you are able to score 33% in the CSET exam. For this, several mock test series that are available online and offline both. If while solving you feel your preparation lacks in one particular subject, then prepare for such subject thoroughly. Remember that if you are unable in scoring 33% in CSET paper 1, then your paper 1 will not be evaluated. Point number 3. Prioritize the previous year's questions too. Thoroughly revise the previous year questions if you want to prepare for the prelims exams. If you want to prepare for the prelims exams in 3 months, then you need to study in a very planned manner. Do ensure that you have read and revised all the relevant subjects. Give more time to your weak areas. As we have suggested earlier in this video, to solve mock test series makes you better at your preparations and helps you learn to make most out of your preparations. Such mock tests help you analyze your weaknesses and strengths. As we know that in exam time, management plays a crucial part. Such mock tests help you better manage your time. There are a lot of myths among the aspirants regarding reading the newspapers and preparations of the current affairs. For example, what is the importance of reading newspapers? What is current affairs and how to prepare for it, etc. Our advice is that you should never stop reading newspapers. Newspapers are key source of current affairs. And once you are able to develop a habit of reading newspapers, the time taken by you to finish it will reduce automatically. So, this is it about how to prepare for the prelims exams in a short span of 3 months. For regular updates of different exams, please don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channel, and best of luck for your preparations. Thank you.